The idea that at Cal Lutheran there's a PsyD program in a university setting that has other departments, that allows for interdisciplinary perspective, is an absolute asset for this PsyD program.
Being embedded in a liberal arts college as we retain the motto and the feel and the traditions of CLU, which is the hands-on teaching. The students come first and that we're here to teach first and foremost.
The PsyD program at Cal Lutheran has a very large component of scholarship. The emphasis is not simply on professional training, although it does it very well, but also on the integration of theory, research, and professional development.
Most of the students who come to this program are interested in becoming licensed at the psychologist level.
This is a program specifically for students who do not see a distinction or a line drawn between what research and what clinical practice have to offer. It's for the student who wants to integrate both.
It's actually a 5-year program. The first 4 years you do academics, the last year is an internship.
We have a baseline of education where all of our kind of classes are very broad and introduce us to the field and into our doctoral work.
And then in years 3 and 4, we've built in space in their schedule for the students to specialize in a track. And so if they found an area that's piqued in interest, they can dive in more deeply.
The faculty are available for any student at any time. That's not typical at large universities.
You become really close with the professors, which is great because they're already in the field. They know what direction to point you.
And the program is supportive of our attempts to look outside of what is established, to bring in new avenues of research or bring our interests in. They're very receptive to what we as students want to learn, and they work with us to develop classes or practicum opportunities that meet those needs.
We're interested in each other's work where we can work together, but we all are independent and kind of individualized in our lines of research.
We have an average of about 15 students per cohort, which gives us a really good faculty to student ratio.
The cohort provides a group of emotional support, of academic support. They're your colleagues.
The Community Counseling Center at Oxnard serves basically anyone from Thousand Oaks to Santa Barbara.
And being located in Oxnard, we're in a prime location where we can really give back to the community as well as provide optimal training to our students.
So we have a strong focus on social justice and multicultural psychology that we really want to build for the community here.
After I leave the program, I see myself teaching. I also see myself working in clinical practice.
A lot of students will go into private practice or maybe work in community mental health centers. They can work in hospitals, they can teach.
I still have a buzz for all that I'm learning and for all that I feel like I'm growing and developing in my professional career.